Before you hit buy on that Muddy Mat for your furry friend, let's get real about what you're actually getting. I'm breaking down everything from the good, the bad, and those sketchy scam rumors swirling around. So first, is Muddy Mat the real deal? Yes. If you buy from the actual company, the microfiber chenille mats soak up mud and water like magic, and honestly, they do a way better job than any regular rug I've tried. My dog's paws? Way cleaner. But here's the catch. Durability is a mixed bag. Lots of folks, myself included, have noticed the backing might start to crumble or peel off after a handful of machine washes. If you want yours to last, I seriously recommend air drying or using the lowest heat possible. Now let's talk about the scam thing. Muddy Mat itself isn't a scam, but there are a ton of copycat websites pretending to be the real deal. If the price looks too good to be true, it probably is. Only order from muddymats.com or their official Amazon store. And check that your mat has the Muddy Mat tag on the back. No tag, probably a fake. Customer service? It's a gamble right now. Some buyers rave about fast help, others are still waiting on refunds or shipping updates. If you need to reach out, be patient. Response times can drag, especially during sales. Quick recap. Muddy Mat works great for paws and boots, just don't expect it to last forever. Buy only from official sources, double check for the logo, and baby it in the wash. I hope this helps you dodge those buyer regrets. Got your own Muddy Mat story? Drop it in the comments. I'm all ears.